So my co-founder already adjusted our website, so you can check them out um, at passportturtles.com, and you can see from the homepage that there's a map, a global map, and we are focusing on coffee producing countries. Mostly they're about roughly around 70, but there's more. But in the meantime, we're just gonna focus on 70. Now, if you ask about what kind of focus are we gonna do, we're gonna get in touch with the people in those specific countries, the coffee smallholder farmers, the farmer cooperatives, the NGOs, the local government units, um, the research institutions and universities, and so on and so on. So our goal is to get this list and also find what are their pending challenges and problems. Now, I'm not saying that we're gonna solve all of them, but me and my co-founders will find and identify which one should we focus first, because we're still a small team and we cannot obviously handle all of these problems. So we'll find a particular niche and then deep dive into that. Okay? For the meantime, we have to tackle all of these countries, and I know they have different needs, they have different problems and challenges, but I believe there's a common ground where these countries have the same problem. So that could be our barometer and our basis for our platform. Okay, so our name is Passport Turtles, so we're like remotely everywhere, and we have to involve not just the coffee producing countries, but even countries that heavily rely on coffee. So these are the roasters, the brokers, the big companies, and of course there are some companies also, or what I say CSR driven companies. They also want to be involved in this. So there's a lot of things to do, but we're gonna do it one day at a time. And the good thing is, we're gonna give you updates on our challenges as well as our progress. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow.